In today's video, we're going to see how to use the best video models like Grok, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, or Kling 3.0 completely free and unlimited, both on computer and on mobile phones. You have the perfect idea. You think you're about to create a video that's going to go viral and that you'll be able to live off creating content. But when you look for the best video AI to bring your idea to life, all you find are price barriers that almost nobody can afford. Credits, subscriptions, and the few free tools that were left have either become paid, like Grok, or stopped existing, like Sora. So then, is creating AI videos really only available to people who pay that price? Well, no, because in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create AI videos with the best models out there, completely free and unlimited. I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to go through all the required steps we have to follow so we can create without limits, because the method is different from the usual one. First, we go into RoboNeo. I'm leaving the direct link in the description. You can use this website on PC, or if you use a phone, you can download the app. Alright, once we're inside, in the top right, we're going to click Login and sign in with whatever account you prefer. This code that appears here is very important, and we need to copy it and save it. On phone, sign in after installing the app, and to copy the code, tap this option. Now, to use this tool, we're going to click New Project, and between these two options, we select Workflow. Otherwise, it won't work. What it opens is this example. Don't worry, you can delete it. In a minute, you'll see that the process is very simple to do. You'll see that in the top right, we have some credits. In a minute, I'm going to show you how we're going to use this tool in an unlimited way. If this works for you and you don't want to miss more tools like this, remember to subscribe, hit like, and leave a positive comment. Now what we're going to do is click this plus icon. A list will appear with all the functions we can use in this tool, things like text to image and video, image editing, or image to video. They all work the same way. I want to generate video, so we're going to add text to video. These two boxes will be added. In the first one, we can add the prompt to create our video. I'm leaving all the prompts and tools we're going to use today in a PDF on my free website in the description. At the end of the video, I'll explain everything. In the other box, we have the video settings. First, we have to choose the model we're going to use. The list we have to choose from is incredible. We have the best video models on the market within our reach, and don't worry about the credits because we have a solution for that. If you want to add more things to generate, for example, in this top section, we're going to drag in image, and now we're going to connect it to the video settings. Very simply, now we have an image to video setup. If you don't have images, we can add a text to image, and just like before, we'll have the best models available for us to use. We choose the aspect ratio. I want it horizontal, and the image quality we want it to have. Now we could already turn it into video, but if you only want text, we can delete this box and continue like before. We add our prompt and generate the video. The quality is pretty good. Also, if we want more models, we can add image to video directly and we'll have a much wider catalog of models. We can add a text box and use it to also add our prompt. The results are still very good. On phone, we just have to tap this option in the bottom left, choose what we want to create, select the model we need, and now we can generate without any problem. Now, if we want to create videos with absolutely no limits, completely free and unlimited, we have to follow some steps that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But if what we want is to create videos without paying for several subscriptions and in a very simple way, I'm bringing you Higgsfield. On this platform, we'll have the best AI tools all in one place so we can generate image, video, audio, and even full cinematic clips without having to pay for several subscriptions. If we want the same process we were doing before, all we have to do is go to Image, select the new Nano Banana 2 model, the aspect ratio, and the image quality. We add a prompt, and as you can see, it gives us 4 results so we can choose the one we like best. And unlike the original models, it won't have a watermark or any quality limitation. We can regenerate several times until we find the image we like. Once we have it, all we have to do is click it and hit Animate. And it will take us to a video section where we can select a model like the new Seedance 2.0, one of the best video models available right now. Choose the duration, the video quality, and add a prompt to turn our images into very high-quality videos. And let's not forget that we also have audio sections, where we can use models like ElevenLabs 3 to create the best voiceovers.
You'll be able to create voices in any language with plenty of options to generate your videos or give your characters a voice. All in one place.
Or even go into its Cinema Studio, which in its new version lets us describe characters and settings, save them, and use them repeatedly in every video we create. If you want to try it, I'm leaving the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Huge thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. If, on the other hand, we want to keep using the earlier tool, what we have to do is very simple. If we look at this section, it tells us that every day we'll receive 20 free credits, but these are not enough. What we're going to do is go in here. I'm leaving the link in the free PDF on my website. We're going to copy this right here. In RoboNeo, we're going to click this button, and now we're going to click here. We're going to choose this option, click here, and paste what we copied earlier. We add whatever we want in this field and click this button. And in this field, we go back to the previous tool, copy this, and paste it here. Now what we have to do is copy the code I told you at the beginning of the video to save. Click this option and paste the code here. And as you can see, they've given us more generations. On phone, we're going to follow the exact same process as before. We copy our previous code, and as you can see, they get added with no problem at all. We can go back to the generation section in Workflow, add whatever we need, and generate without worrying about the limit. And now that we've solved this problem, we can make more complex workflows. For example, we can ask it to create an image, selecting the model we like best, and before turning it into video, we're going to add an image editing box, choose another model, and turn this new result into video. There are hundreds of combinations you can make on this platform that will give us very powerful results. If you want a specific video on this platform where we look at the best ones, let me know in the comments. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the free PDFs with all the information from today's video. Just go to my website with the link in the description, and we're going to click Free PDF. Once we're here, all we have to do is select the video we want the PDF from. Click this button, and we'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options here that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. For example, we have a catalog that we keep expanding with free AIs that you can use from our website online and at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory, where in one place you have grouped together, updated day by day, the best AIs for generating each thing for free. On top of that, you can see how the community rates them to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog, where you'll find updated news about new free AI content. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.